found this girl while scrolling, and honestly, what she has to say is so relatable. Just listen.
Made a very unrealistic goal that in the month of May, I would save $2,500. And my good friend looked me dead in the face. And this is no hate, but she said, is that possible? What's your monthly income? Knowing that I wasn't financially well, and that was of my own doing, okay? May 15th, 2026. A measly 3-4 weeks later, after that conversation, I will not only hit my goal, but I will exceed my goal by I'm not even sure how much yet. And that is because I started doing the Noise app. And did I drastically have to change my life to make this happen? No, I am still working the same job that I did in April. I have not changed my lifestyle much since the month of April. The only thing I'm doing differently is now I have a second income that I am getting $50 to $70 a day, every single day, rolling into my account. And the thing is, it's so incredibly easy. It's so incredibly easy. I take a little bit of time out of my day to do this because I see this as my second income. I take this very seriously and I enjoy doing it also. It's the easiest thing in the world. They give you everything you need to succeed. They want you to succeed. And if you want to succeed, you will succeed. And I am just so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. And I just can't believe what difference can happen in 4 weeks. Paycheck to paycheck to not only meeting my unrealistic goal, but exceeding it. That's insane. How many people can say that? You probably could if you tried.